Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are well and welcome to our class. Okay. In previous class, we have learned about latitudes, longitudes, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, equator, north pole, south pole, everything. Okay. And I have explained you about the longitudes also. Okay. What are longitudes? Come on, answer me. What are latitudes? Okay, the imaginary lines that run from east to west are called latitudes. See here. This is our earth. Okay. The imaginary lines that travel from east to west are called latitudes. Very good. Now, okay, they are parallel lines. Okay, they are parallel lines, and they are parallel lines, and they have same distance. Okay, they have same distance. Latitudes are measured from 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay, how they are measured? Can anyone answer? How latitudes are measured? Very good. Latitudes are measured 0 degree to 90 degree. Very good. Next, the 0 degree latitude is called equator and it passes through the center of the earth. See, this is the 0 degree latitude. Okay? This is the 0 degree latitude. And what is the 0 degree latitude called? 0 degree latitude called equator. Okay, 0 degree latitude is called equator, and it runs in the middle of the earth. Okay, it runs in the middle of the earth. The equator divides earth into the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, what equator do? Equator separates the earth into two halves. That is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay. Latitude in the northern hemisphere are marked 10 degree north and 20 degree north. Okay. In northern side, we mark the latitudes as 10 degree, 20 degree, up to 90. Okay. And in the southern, same as like that, we mark 10 degree south, 20 degrees south. Okay. And in previous class we have learned about latitudes. Now, in this session we will learn about in previous section up to here we have learned, see here. Apart from the equator, the other important latitudes are not only this, we have other important latitudes also. What are they? They are Arctic Circle. Next, Tropic of Cancer. Next, Tropic of Capricorn. And Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. Okay, and we have North Pole and we have South Pole. Okay, we have North Pole and South Pole also. Okay. See this picture, all of you. See this picture. Okay, this is our earth, and earth, this is equator in the middle. The middle line, the middle one is equator, 0 degree latitude, and this is Antarctic circle, Arctic circle, and this is Tropic of Cancer, and this is Tropic of Capricorn. This is Antarctic circle. Okay, Arctic circle in the 66.5 degree north. Okay, next Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north. Next, coming to the tropic down. See, Tropic of Capricorn, same as Tropic of Cancer. It is also 23.5 degree, not north. We have to write south. Okay. Next, this is Antarctic circle, 66.5 degrees centigrade. Okay. South. Now, today I will tell you about longitudes. Okay, children, I will tell you about longitudes. See, what are longitudes? The imaginary line, the vertical imaginary lines that are drawn on the earth. Okay, what are longitudes? The vertical imaginary lines that are drawn on earth. Very good. See, longitudes meet at, say, the imaginary lines. What are longitudes? Longitudes are the vertical lines which are drawn on the earth. Very good. See. Okay. The imaginary lines that are drawn on the earth. Longitudes meet at poles. Where I told you already in now only this is North Pole and this is South Pole. Where these longitudes are longitudes meet in North Pole and South Pole. These meets from here to from North Pole to South Pole. Okay. Latitudes are measured from 0 degrees up to 180 degrees. Okay. How these longitudes are measured? Longitudes are measured 0 degree to 180 degrees. Okay. 0 degree to 180 degrees. The 0 degree latitude is called the prime meridian. See, the 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian. Okay, the 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian. The prime meridian divides Earth into the eastern and western hemisphere. Okay, this prime meridian divides the Earth into eastern and western hemisphere. Okay, this prime meridian divides the Earth into eastern hemisphere and western Okay, a latitude marked 20 degree east will be towards the east of the prime meridian. Okay, the latitude which is longitude which is marked, the longitude which is marked 20 degree east, 20 degree E. Okay, 20. Okay, 20 degree E will be towards east and 20 degree W means it lies towards west. Okay. Now, longitudes do not run parallel to each other. They do not run parallel. Okay, they are not parallel, means same, they don't have same distance. Okay, since Earth is spherical, longitudes are closer together at the poles. Okay, since Earth is spherical, spherical means round in shape, and these longitudes meet in only in poles. Okay, only they are closer with poles and further away at the equator. They are very further means long, they are very distant from the equator. The longitudes and latitudes form rows and columns. Okay, rows and columns on the map or globe. See. See the latitudes, and longitudes forms rows and columns on the earth. Okay, on the earth, when we observe the map or a globe, we can see it perfectly. Okay, this helps locate the exact position of a place on earth. Okay, these rows and columns help to point the exact place on the earth. Okay, see these blanks. See, I am reading the blanks. Listen here once. The dash divides Earth into the northern and southern hemisphere. What is that? Okay, very good. Equator. The dash divides Earth into the eastern and western hemispheres. Come and say, what is that? Very good. Longitudes. Okay. This is your homework for today, and I'll share you in the classroom, Google Classroom. Okay. Okay, children. Bye.